Hi, I'm Jess. Welcome to the QVC YouTube channel. I'm one of the TikTok hosts on QVC's TikTok Shop, and today I'm going to show you all the ways you can shop on the TikTok Shop. And of course, I'm going to be using QVC's amazing products to demonstrate. Now, there's four main areas we're going to cover. These are your lives, your shop storefront, the video content, and the orders hub. So let's get started. First off is lives. Now we're QVC and we know a thing or two about shopping. So this is one of the best places to discover and learn about your new favourite products. So let's start at the bottom of the screen. Here you'll find the bag icon. Now if you tap this, you'll see all the products that are part of the live. And just above this, if there's a flash sale on an item, this is where you'll find it here. There'll be a clock next to it to remind you how long you've got left, and this is where we dramatically slash the price of a product for a limited time. And if you're really enjoying a live and you want to share it to a friend, press this button and you can send it to whoever you want. Now, this is TikTok, so unlike normal TV, we can talk to each other. So if you've got a question about a product or you just want to say hi, there's the comment bar and you can leave us a message and we can have a chat. Now at the top of the screen, there might be a box that has a % sign running through it. Now, if it's there, that means you've got some voucher codes to use. Now these can vary from different accounts or different lives, so if they're definitely there, then I'd advise taking advantage of them. And just above that is our profile picture. Now you can tap on this to explore the rest of the QVC UK TikTok shop, and we'll explore it together shortly. Now, if you want to register for any upcoming lives, if you go to our profile, next to shop, you'll see a live button. If you click on that, you'll see all our upcoming lives and you can register there and you'll receive a notification when we go live so you won't miss out. Now, if you simply want to browse our products, the shop storefront is the perfect place to be. Now, there is a home tab next to it, and on there, you'll find a selection personally created for you. Now, the algorithm will have added a personal few suggestions in there just based on your shopping interests and habits. Now, if you tap on the Products tab, this is more of a list view. Now here, you can use that search bar to filter to exact products you're after based on category, price, or even deals. Now, as this is TikTok, it's a platform full of amazing videos, and some will be shoppable. And you'll know that because there'll be a link like this that will appear on the video. Now, if you click on that link, it will bring up the product card. Now, on here, like a normal website, it will have product information, delivery, reviews. It's super easy and simple. Finally, once you've made a purchase on TikTok Shop, you can track all your orders in one simple place. On your profile, you'll see an Orders tab. Now on here, you can track deliveries, write reviews, or even contact customer support if you need it. And that's everything. Now you know how to make the most out of TikTok Shop. I hope you can join us for a future live. Check out the description below and you'll find a link to our TikTok account, so make sure you give us a follow. And any questions at all, please just leave them in the comment section on here. And make sure you subscribe to the QVC YouTube channel for more amazing content. We'll see you soon.